night after night, we dream about the same things. Steel, nerves, power, sweat, energy. When we wake up, we realize it's not a dream after all. This is our world and our calling. Every day, we summon all the strength we have to achieve our goals. And we are never alone. It doesn't matter how big the challenge is, or how hard it seems even before we start. The important thing is to persevere, to invent, and to improve, to be fully prepared for any possibility. People like us will never stop and never give up. Not even when we've got the result we want. Because that's where the next challenge starts. Yes, the day is now over. But a new dream will begin tomorrow. The important thing is to persevere, to invent and improve, to raise the bar. Yes, because people like us were born to do just this.